When you hear the name Da Vinci, you probably think of the Italian Renaissance artist, but now many surgeons at Franciscan St. Elizabeth East Hospital in Lafayette are referring to that name when it comes to medicine. News Channel 18's Elizabeth Rentschler explains why the name might now be heard not only in art galleries, but also operating rooms.
You often hear the name Da Vinci when referring to art, but now doctors at Franciscan St. Elizabeth East Hospital in Lafayette are using that name when referring to OB/GYN care. The Da Vinci endometriosis resection system is now being used at St. Elizabeth East to treat women with endometriosis, an often painful disorder in which tissue that normally lines the inside of the uterus grows outside the uterus. OB/GYN Dr. John Hoversland is trained to use the system and attended a seminar where one doctor's statistics really caught his attention.
Before he switched with laparoscopy, he was only really finding endometriosis in about 60% of patients when he went to look. And the national average for people with pelvic pain is about 50. And then when he switched, 75 to 80% of those patients actually turned out to have the disease.
That means the Da Vinci system was able to pick up on the 20% of patients that had endometriosis that laparoscopic surgery was missing. The new system also allows doctors to remove the endometriosis through an incision in the belly button, a way that is less invasive than traditional surgery options. The Da Vinci system is equipped with three-dimensional cameras that can get millimeters away from tissue without losing focus. Dr. Hoversland says another benefit to the Da Vinci is the recovery time.
Typical recovery is you would go home the same day and feel better in about 3 or 4 days.
Patients also experience lower rates of complications and minimal scarring, but Dr. Hoversland says the most important thing for him is being able to correctly diagnose those that for so long went without an answer and without treatment.
Knowing that we're going from missing 20% to picking those people up, I mean, it's great.
Elizabeth Rentschler, News Channel 18.
Franciscan St. Elizabeth East began offering the new treatment in February. Dr. Hoversland is one of 3 doctors with Lafayette OB/GYN that is trained to use the Da Vinci surgical system.